This dog went viral when he started barking at this pregnant lady, but you won't believe the reason. When he started pointing to the drain, and when she looked in, she began calling people around her for help. Then, this lady came to help, and when she looked in the drain, she couldn't believe what she saw. She even tried to lift it up, but it was too heavy. Then a guy noticed them and stopped his car, and came to the rescue. But he also couldn't lift it up, so he took a hammer from his car and, with its help, he lifted it up. Inside, they found a cat that had been stuck there for days. And if you think they all did a great job rescuing her, subscribe.